We're gonna first start off before the Shrouded Fable packs, the Scarlet Violet 151. I've done this in a while, so okay. Okay. So common, uncommon, rares. Doduo, Tentacool, Rattata, Squirtle, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, Gloom, Squirtle! Hey! Well, let's check it out. Is this... Whoa! Well, first off, this is awesome! It's a full art Venusaur EX. Well, I like the Squirtle a lot. Let's see. Here we go. Venusaur EX. It looks clean. This was an amazing pull. Thank you, Peter. Alright. Next. It's been 7 to 8 years, so... Guys, send all of those luck over to me. Here we go. Opening it. Oh my gosh, it's been ages. Alright. Now, the Shrouded Fable series packs boosters, they're also on their way still. Now, it's like they're kind of giving us a taster here. There are 5 booster packs from Shrouded Fable. I think the Elite Trainer boxes are coming at some point. Oh! I just let it fall. Alright, the Kingdra card first. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Let's put it in the sleeve. Yo. Look at that artwork. There we go. It's really, really nice. We'll leave these here for now. But yeah, beautiful card. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful card. This is the new Shrouded Fable. Okay. So let's start with the first pack. Here we go. Alright. Ursaluna. Cresselia. Basic Energy. I guess I didn't have to do it, maybe. Golbat. Meowth. Zubat. Drowsy. Cassiopeia. But not this card. I didn't want this card. Kyurem. Cool. Binding Mochi. And look at that. Dangerous Laser. Laser. Phaser to Laser. Dangerous Laser. It's you. It's meant to be. We'll check it later. If anyone wants to check it out, let me know. Alright, here. Second pack. I think it's... Alright, first card, Zubat. Duskull. Cufant. Inkay. Janine's Secret Art. Weavile. Slitherwing! Hey, look at that. Slitherwing looks cool. Academy at Night. Paldea. Dartrix. Dusk Noir. And a Basic Energy. Alright, third pack. Well, I don't know. You don't have to. Sneasel. Furfrou. Dartrix. Absol. Kyurem again. Night Stretch. Night Stretcher Hypno. Colress's Tenacity. Reverse Hollow. Decidueye. And Dusk Noir. Number 2. Here we go. Rowlet. Ooh, that card is crisp. Axew. Zorua. Dartrix. Genesect. Night Stretcher. Colossus Tenacity. Cassiopeia Reverse Hollow. Monkey Dory! It's a cool card. I like it. I like the background too. Alright, last pack. Please. Here we go. Duskull. Axew. Golbat. Meowth. Kyurem. I have like 3 or 4 of these. Night Stretcher. Hypno. Reverse Hollow Cufant. Reverse Hollow Dartrix. Dusk Noir. And Basic Energy. Okay. 3 Dusk Noirs. We got Monkey Dory and Dangerous Laser. Full Arvenu's nice. That was just from the 1 pack. Alright, there you go. Those were my pulls from the booster packs. As well as the one from the Scarlet 151. I got that lucky card from the SoHo event in PokeCourt.